Exciting day! So, bibili tayo ng chicken. 10 lang muna yung kukunin natin para... Ayun guys, nakabili na tayo ng ating chicken. Nandito sila sa loob. Cozy na sila. So, uwi na tayo para ilagay natin doon sa ating coop. Okay, malinis na. Hindi natin kailangan tanggalin lahat. So at least meron pa rin silang beddings. Ito yung daan nila papunta sa chicken run. So hindi na natin linisan para kainin nila yan. Sisirain na lahat ng grass dyan. At saka kinukuha na rin ni Mrs. yung mga chicken natin doon para dalhin dito. Farm girl! May alalay pa. Yeah. Want a chicken? Okay. Ito, this one first. Pasok na natin yung chicken doon sa ating coop. First batch.
Basta may manugda.
Oh. May egg ka.
Kuha kay wala tayo egg boss.
Okay, first batch.
Tunggu inside, tunggu here.
Go.
Oh, Maxine, out. Maxine, out. Out.
One egg.
Ay, salamat. Caesar,
Okay.
no, Maxine, no.
That's it.
Out, Maxine. Out. That's chicken, Maxine.
Another egg.
Pila na?
Dalawa. So guys, yan na yung ating batch ng chicken. Tingnan natin maya konti kung medyo malinisan na nila. At saka hopefully mahanap nila yung daan papasok sa kanilang bahay. Bato dito. Dito natin ilagay yung kanilang tubig. In there. Yan. So yan guys, meron na tayong chicken. So bukas mag-aabang tayo ng ating egg. So thank you guys for watching. Like and thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. What would you say? What will you say? There's egg, thumbs up, and there's egg for tomorrow.